welcome back to Tracy's Kitchen for another episode of Tasty Yet Healthy. And today we're going to be making blueberry lemon muffins. I know, how can muffins be healthy? Well, the ingredients that we're using is not our regular flour, but we're going to be using coconut flour and a lot of other really yummy things. Some of my favorite ingredients, lemons and blueberries, of course. And what do we do with our bananas that are about to go bad? Actually, they are the most flavorful, so we're also going to use one of those nice turning brown bananas today. All right, so let's start. Okay, so to make these blueberry lemon muffins, we only need a couple of utensils. We're gonna need a blender to blend the ingredients. We're gonna need a bowl to mix it all together. And then of course our muffin pan with really cute muffin paper liners. Sorry, I forgot what they were called for a second. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to talk about the banana. We always have these bananas that, you know, we never know what to do with. We all know we can make banana bread, but what else? So we can make lemon blueberry muffins. And so when they're like this, brown, you get the most flavor out of your banana. My family used to think you should throw them away, but no, you should not throw them away. You need to keep them and enjoy something yummy with this flavor. So there's our banana. And then we're gonna put in about 3 large dates or a 1/4 cup of dates. And we have almond butter. And we're gonna do about 3 tablespoons of it. We're gonna put all these wet ingredients here into the blender. Okay. And then we're using almond milk. This is a 1/2 cup almond milk. And then we have juiced already in advance 1 whole lemon. And we're gonna put in the lemon zest of that lemon. Lemon zest gives it all that good lemon taste. All right, now we're gonna blend it. Okay, so all of our wet ingredients are all done inside the blender. So now we're gonna do all the dry ingredients. We have here 1 1/4 cups of rolled oats. Give us all that protein. And here we have 3 tablespoons of coconut flour. It smells fabulous, just like coconuts. All right. And then we only have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Once all our dry ingredients are in, just give it a quick stir. And then we're gonna pour all the wet ingredients inside on top of our oats. Alrighty, so now we got all that in there. We're gonna stir it up pretty good. Make sure it's all nice and mixed. Once it's all mixed, then we're gonna put our blueberries in. We're just gonna fold them in. We're not gonna crush them, just fold them, stir them in. All right, so now our oven should be preheated to 350. And with our batter, we're gonna fill up our liners almost to the top. We don't want regular cupcakes or muffins. We only put it about 2/3. These are not gonna rise as much, so we can fill up the liners pretty much all the way. So that's what we're gonna do. All right. So our blueberry lemon muffins are all done. They smell fantastic. and we left them in the oven at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. These muffins, like I was saying before, that you could fill them all the way up. I had left some space in my paper muffins, but you could actually add more. As you can see, there was still space in mine. But I can't wait to try it, so I'm gonna dig in. And you can see all the oats on top of it, along with the blueberries. Let's give this a bite. Blueberries and lemon were made for each other. Let me know what you think when you try the recipe, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.